this tutorial on how to assemble your Christmas ornament. If you went to the Tulare Public Library, you would have gotten a little baggie that contained 2 ornaments of these designs available to you. And to get started, let's go ahead and open our baggie up. Go ahead and grab 3 ornaments. You can kind of tell by colors and design what goes together, but if you want to make it fun and mix and match, go ahead. That's your ornament. You design it the way you want to. With the cord, you want to start by making a simple knot at the end. So we're going to just make a little circle here, like so. And then just bring the end. See, I'm trying to show you here how you could do it. There's the circle, and then you're gonna just get the end and run it through to make a simple knot. Guide the knot towards the end of your cord there, like so. And then you want to just do it a couple more times. The reason why is we don't want the beads to fall off the cord as we're assembling them, so we're just making like a stopper knot there. And so we guide it towards the end where you have the other knot to make a bigger knot. And then let's do it one more time, the circle, and I'm going to do this big so you can see it. The circle, and then you're just going to go underneath through there, like so. And then just guide that knot where you have the other 2. Now about 3 or 4 times is good. I'm going to do it one more time because you don't want to do it and then find your ornaments are coming off at the end, because untying the knots wouldn't be fun to do. So let's go ahead and do a 4th knot, and that is definitely good enough there. And so we're going to start with the feet first. Make sure you have them the way you want them, and just slide the bead through the hole, like so. And then get the middle part and slide it through. And then you're going to get the head and make sure it's right side up. Slide it through. And the hat of your choice. You'll notice that each of the baggies have 2 different hats, whichever hat you want to put on your ornament, like so. And then what you're going to do is you're going to make a knot, because this cord is elastic, there's some stretch to it, and so the ornaments won't be sliding around. Let's go ahead and just make a knot to hold everything together. So we're going to do the same thing. We'll make a circle, like so. Bring it under, and then guide the knot down as close as you can get it to the hole. Like so. And then I would do that 3 more times. So we'll do another hoop, go under, and guide it all the way down. Like so. And then one more time. So there we have our Santa ornament. He's together now. And what we could do is we can trim the excess on the bottom there with some scissors. cut off the excess there. And you'll see he doesn't go anywhere. Turn him upside down, he doesn't go. So now is decision time. Or if you're gonna use the elastic to put it on the tree, then I would make a big hoop, and again you're gonna knot it to itself so that you can stretch the ornament on the tree. Or if you rather use a Christmas hook, you can actually make the hole very small. And I actually have some examples here of ones I made previously. So this is an elf here, and as you could tell, I already made the little loop and then I hooked it on so he can hang there, my little elf there. Or if you want to get fancy, you can use a different type of cord. You can use a ribbon to assemble the ornament as well, like I did here, and just put the hook on. It's a little trickier with ribbon because it's not as stiff as the cord is. So if you're gonna do that, I would get something very thin and hard to guide the ribbon through. What I did is I just used a paper clip, which I bent like this, and then I guided the ribbon through the hole until I got to the very top, and then I just knotted it, and then I put my hook there. And so let me show you how to do a loop here. So once again, you're gonna just do a circle here, and then you're gonna go over just like you normally did with the other ones. However, with this one, you're gonna actually go one more time underneath because you're tying the knot to the cord. So I don't know, I'm trying to get you to see what I'm doing here. So you're gonna, I don't know if you see that, and I'm gonna loop it through and then just pull it. See that? And again, guide the knot as far down as you want, because depending on how much stretch you want, that's how big you want the loop. So go ahead and just guide it all the way down. Don't tighten it until you get to where you want to be on the cord. Once you've gotten it as far down as you want it to be, then you could tighten it. And then once you're done, just cut off the excess. Ta-da! That's the center. As well as the other designs. I don't know what design you got in your little baggie. Like I said, you can mix and match. You can change the hats. You can use ribbon. You can even put beading in between the beads if you wanted to, or sequins. But regardless, I hope you have fun assembling them and putting them on your Christmas tree. From all of us here, we wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Take care.